Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get a Gemini API key. First, open your web browser and go to the Google AI Studio website. This is the central hub for managing your API keys and exploring Google's generative AI models. You will need to sign in using your existing Google account to access the full features and generate your unique key. Once you are logged in, look for the Get API Key section on the left-hand navigation panel. Here, you will find a prominent button labeled Create API Key. Clicking this will prompt you to either select an existing Google Cloud project or create a brand new one. After making your selection, your unique API key will be instantly generated and displayed. With your new API key in hand, the next step is to integrate it into your application. This key acts as your authentication token, allowing your software to communicate with the Gemini models. Remember, it is crucial to store your API key securely and avoid exposing it in public repositories. The official documentation provides detailed examples for various programming languages, making integration straightforward. To maintain robust security, always follow best practices for API key management. Consider restricting your API key to specific IP addresses or domains where your application is hosted. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Additionally, it is wise to rotate your API keys periodically, perhaps every 90 days, and actively monitor your API usage for any unexpected patterns.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.